Yes. Yes, very good morning children. How are you all doing? Yesterday I enjoyed the festival? Yes. Now children, tell me one thing. Suppose if there is a newborn baby, if the baby is born, it's a newborn baby, right children? Now how do you feel if the baby is born, if the new baby is born in your family, if you have new brother or sister, how you will feel? You will feel very happy by that new brother has come, new sister has come to play with me. You will be very happy, right children? So, here, let us learn. So, what happens in this lesson? Now, children, if you have new brother, if you have new sister, you will be very happy, right? That there is a new sister with me, there is a new brother for me. So, we both will play together, we both will go out together, we both will eat breakfast together, we both will drink milk together, right children? So, here also in this lesson, there is a little girl who gets the new baby sister. So, how does she feel? What she does with the new sister? Let us learn in today's lesson. That is lesson number 4. Mole is big. Lesson number 4. Mole is new baby sister. What is today's lesson? Today's lesson is Mole is new baby sister. Now, children, sometimes what happens? We all feel happy when the newborn baby is come. We all feel happy. But some people, they don't like. They are jealous. Jealous means what? They don't like if the new baby sister has come. They get very angry. What is this? New brother has come. New baby sister has come. Now I have to share my toys. All are giving importance to the new brother, new sister. No one is looking at me. Sometimes this feeling also comes to sometimes this feeling comes to some of the children. Okay, but you should not behave like that. You should be very happy if you have your new brother or sister. You should share your toys. You should share your food, your breakfast, everything with you. They will come and play with you. So let us learn what happens. Molly threw her doll on the floor. She was very angry. Her mom and dad were coming home with her baby sister. You can play with her. Her mother had said, but Molly was angry. Why should I play with her? Why should I share my toys and books with her? She said. There was a ring of the doorbell. Molly went to open the door. Her parents stood at the door. Her mom was holding the baby. Behind them stood grandma and grandpa. So children, what happens? Now children, when you have a new brother or sister in the house, you should be very happy. Oh, my new brother or sister has come. I will play with them. I will share my toys. We both will take the toys together. We both will play the toys together. We both will go to the garden. We both will go to the ice cream shop. We both will enjoy. You should be happy with it. But here what happens? This Molly. Here what happens? Molly, when she gets the new. But here what happens? This Molly, when she gets the new babysitter, she is very angry. Which is wrong. You should never be angry. But Molly gets very angry that she has got the new baby sister. She throws her doll, her toys, everything on the ground. She says that why this new baby sister is coming. But Molly's father tells that you are going to get a new baby sister. You should play with her. But Molly says, no, why should I play with her? Why should I share my toys with her? I will not do anything. Molly was very angry, which is very wrong. People, you should feel happy if you are getting brother or sister. So what happens next, children? Doorbell rings. When the doorbell rings, that time Molly opens the door. When Molly opens the door, her mother is there with the baby in her hand. Her father is beside her mother. And behind Molly's mother, father, Molly's grandmother and grandfather is there. Okay, behind Molly's mother, Molly's grandmother and grandfather is there. So Molly gets very angry that new baby sister has come, which is, children, very, very, very wrong. Okay, Molly should have felt happy, right, children? What do you think? Molly should be very happy. Molly should have felt very happy that she has got the new baby sister. But Molly is very angry. So now what happens next? Molly stood on the side of her mom, put the baby in its pram. Everyone had a gift in their hand. Grandpa gave her a small gift. Grandma kept the large red gift box by baby's side. No one loves me, Molly thought. Grandma, Grandpa and Grandma took even looking at me. Not even looking at me. Molly felt unhappy. She ran out of the room. So what happens, children? When Molly opens the door, she sees her mother, father holding the baby. Her grandfather and grandmother were behind their mother and father. They come inside. Molly comes with her mom and she holds the mom's hand. Molly's mother put the baby into the pram. Pram means what? Totla. Kannada ನಾವು ತೊಟ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ತೊಟ್ಲ. ಅದು pram ಅಂತಾರೆ. Okay. So Molly's mother, pram ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is just like a ತೊಟ್ಲದಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. It is like a pram that you can carry it. Okay. It is Molly puts in the pram. Molly's mother puts the baby in the pram. And all in the family, they are so happy. Molly's grandfather, grandmother, they are so happy that new baby has come. Everyone had a large box of gifts. Her grandmother had a red box gift. Now children, have you ever seen when the new baby is born, everyone goes and sees the new baby. People give gift to the new baby. They give money to the new baby born. Right. So, when the new baby is born, they all gives the gift. But Molly doesn't like. Molly says, this new baby has come. Everyone is looking at that new baby. Everyone is giving importance to that new baby. Everyone is giving gifts to that new baby. No one is looking at me. Nobody loves me. Molly feels very sad. Molly feels that everyone has forgot her. Molly feels very neglected. Neglected means what? Means avoiding her. Avoiding. Not even looking at her. Avoiding her. So Molly just goes out. She puts everything and she goes into the room. So now what happens next? After grandparents left, Molly decided to talk her mom and dad. She walked with the angry steps in the room. Her parents were playing with baby. Oh Molly, I hope you will manage to sleep in your room, said mother. Molly was shocked. She always slept between her parents. But Molly said. Molly stood and watched. The baby began to hiccup. So sweet, said Molly's mom. Molly could not believe her eyes. She left the room. So what happened? When Molly's, after celebrating a bit small celebration with the newborn baby, Molly's grandfather and grandmother, they left the house. They went to their own house. So Molly was so angry. She went with the hard step. She walked with the angry steps. Angry step means what? In angry you walk in angry. In angry you walk in angry. If you want to have a fight with someone, you go angrily. You rush angrily. So Molly was so angry that she rushed angrily to her parents. She told to her parents. She wanted to talk to her parents. But before Molly could say something, Molly's mother told, Molly, Now you have to sleep alone because newborn baby has come. So I'll sleep with her. So Molly was shocked. Molly couldn't understand. Molly saw her parents, her mummy, daddy, her mom and dad were playing with the newborn baby. Molly was shocked. Molly couldn't understand. She couldn't believe her eyes. Baby was getting hiccups. Hiccups means what? Kannada now big bantu antilla. Kannada naga big bantu. That is called hiccups. We say na Kannada naga big bantu. That is called hiccups. So that baby got hiccups. So Molly's mother said, so sweet that baby is getting hiccups. Molly couldn't believe her eyes. Molly said, but mom, I have to sleep between you. I have to sleep between mummy and daddy. So Molly couldn't. She rushed to the room. So now what happened? From her room, she heard her parents talking to baby. No one loves me, she said again. She fell asleep. Molly did not know that while she slept, her parents came to her good night. Came to kiss her good night. Her mother tucked the blanket over her shoulder. Her father patted her head. Next morning was Sunday. Today is Sunday. Mom, aren't you going to make idli for Sunday breakfast? Molly asked her mother. No dear, we thought we should take your sister for her vaccination, said mother. Again the baby, thought Molly. So what happens when Molly's mother says that you should go and sleep alone? So Molly gets very angry. Molly says that nobody loves me. So she goes inside the room and she sleeps. And while sleeping, Molly hears her mother and father talking to the baby. Now when new baby comes, don't you talk to the new baby? Okay, hi, hello, what are you doing? And don't you talk to baby? In the same way, Molly's mummy and daddy spoke to the baby. They were talking to the baby. They were playing to the baby. Molly feels very sad. Molly says that nobody loves me. And she fell asleep. But after that, Molly's mummy daddy comes to see her Molly. And mummy daddy kisses Molly to say her good night. She tucks the shawl, means the blanket. She puts the blanket to mummy, put the blanket to Molly, and Molly's father pats her head. That good night beta. So next day was Sunday. So next day is Sunday. So don't we make something special? Don't we do something special? Don't we go out? So Molly says, today is Sunday, mom. Will you make idli for breakfast? But Molly's mother says, no, I will not make breakfast idli because we have to take your sister to the vaccination. Molly again gets angry. What is this? Again baby. So Molly thought it very angry. Again baby. Every time they do baby and no importance to me. No idli today for me even though it is Sunday. So let us learn. Soon the new parents and the new baby were in car with the Molly sitting at the back of the car. At the hospital, Molly felt mean. I am really glad that she will cry. As she thought so, the nurse took the baby and put her on the table to give the injection. The baby gave a loud wail. Loud wail means what? Now the small baby, children, small newborn baby, if the small newborn baby gets the injection, the baby will cry, right? Baby won't cry. Now if we adult, if we grown up, if we get injection, we also sometimes may cry or we also sometimes may shout. Yes, if we can't control, the baby gave the new wail. New wail means what? The baby cried loudly. Then the baby began to wriggle. Wriggle means twist and turn with the, means baby began to movement quickly the movement. Okay, the nurse could not manage to give the vaccination. The baby could not stop crying. What do we do now? Said Molly's mom to the nurse. Listening to baby crying, Molly picked her little sister in her arm, her sister in her arms. She kissed her. The baby stopped crying. The nurse was surprised. Don't worry, my little sister. Your elder sister is here, said Molly, kissing the baby. What a good sister this baby has, said the nurse. So children, what happens? Now children, if your elder sister, elder brother or your small brother, sister, if they get hurt, if they fell down, don't you feel sad? Oh, my brother has fell down. Oh, my brother is not feeling well. Oh, my brother is having fever. Don't you feel bad about it? So here also, when the nurse gave injection to the Molly's little sister, she was newborn baby. She was just a newborn baby. That baby cried loudly and baby tried to move here and there. So nurse was couldn't even manage to give the injection. When she was about to give the injection, she cried. Now little baby, even though babies are newborn, even they are little, they can feel the touch of the own parent. They can also feel the touch of the other outsider who are not related to them. So baby started moving. Nurse couldn't understand how to give injection. Nurse tells the Molly's mother, now what to do, man? So Molly feels very bad. Molly takes her baby in her arm. She takes her little sister in her arm and kisses her. Molly tells, your elder sister is with you. Don't worry and you be here. So nurse is so happy. Nurse tells, what a good sister. And that's how the baby also gets injection. Baby is fine. And Molly and her little sister, they are more than the true sisters and they become friends. Okay. So you should be happy with the newborn and become friends. Thank you.